for tonight. Thank you for your hospitality and thank you for being the people that you are. We got a whole lot more bands coming at you tonight. You're gonna want to stick around and hear it. Oh, whoa! Telephone book. The operator told me it's a private line, but it starts with a 7 and it ends with a 9. Then when I pleaded, operator, tell me what you think first. You got to tell me what you want to go. When I told her that I was in love with you, I got your number. When I told her that I was in love with you, I got your number. I put the 7 on the hoping you'll be home. I couldn't wait to tell you what was on my mind, but I would have been the signal at the end of the night. When I told her that I was in love with you, I got your number. When I told her that I was in love with you, I got your number. All my love is on the line. I got to know I'm gonna make you mine. Come to find out, before I'm done, I'm gonna reach on out. Touch some love. Now there's another big singer, it's getting late, but we got here together to communicate. I'll do anything to get to you. Why don't you hang it up, baby, and I'll let me do. It's a real nice invention, but at times like this I can say it's so much better now. Just one kiss, don't you know, baby, I'm in love with you. Don't you know, baby, I'm in love with you. I got your number. I got your number. Got your number. Thank you so much for having us. Garland Parker Jr. on the bass guitar. Sam King on the drums.